This video will not tell you how to do the motorcycle operator skills test, but it will tell you exactly and precisely what you must do. Welcome to the ultra brief overview of the motorcycle operator skills test, where all extra details are removed to show you exactly what needs to be done. Stopwatch ready? Let's go. Start on the white T, and after the signal, head check, and then proceed to do a 90-degree left turn, staying within the yellow lines. And then turn in your own time. Head to the white box, stopping with the front tyre's contact patch inside the white box. Then turn around and put the bike here, ready for the cone weave. Then head check. Proceed to the left of the first cone, right of the second, and left of the third, and so on for all 5 cones. Turn around in your own time and perform a right-hand U-turn inside the yellow U-shaped box. You will then receive instructions here for the next part, the quick stop. And the quick stop starts here. Accelerate to a speed between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour by the blue markers. Maintain that speed until you get to here. Then when the leading edge of the front tire passes the yellow cones and yellow line, brake as quickly and as safely as possible. Head back to the same T to line up for the final maneuver, the obstacle turn. Now, in using the same run up as you did for the quick stop, this time however, instead of braking, swerve around the obstacle and back through the exit lane without hitting anything, running wide or turning to the incorrect side. The correct side is the side where the testing officer is standing. Come back around and you are done. For less brief and more detailed information, measurements, video tutorials and much more, head to motorcycleoperatorskillstest.com.au. Authorised by Daniel from NACS Motorcycle Rider Training Sydney.